So you want to shoot your highway video, or you can download it in the internet. As you can see, I shoot my highway video that I'm going to use for this video. Then after that, the next thing now is to mount your camera on a portrait mode on tripod. Then you can now shoot yourself, okay? Sit down like this, doing anything of your choice. After that, save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project. Import your highway volume you have shoot or download. Then you click it, you go and look for volume. Click on volume, reduce it to 0. Click on the video and expand it. That is, if you want to, you use your 2 thumbs and expand it. Then after that, now you want to mark anywhere. Click on overlay, add overlay, green screen ego, bring it in. If you need it, you can DM me, I will give it to you. Click on it and expound it. Then after expounding it now, you go and look for remove BG. Look for remove BG. Click on remove BG. Chroma key. Drag it down. At this point now, mark on that grid and go back. So click on it. Go and look for adjust. Click on adjust now. Click on adjust. HSL. Go and look for it. Click on HSL. Mark on that green. Then you come to the middle one and adjust it. Finish. You can see now that the green has completely gone out. Then at this point you go front. Come and click on the main video, that is the first layer. Click on it now. Go and look for duplicate. You want to duplicate the video because it's too short. Then you look for duplicate. Then you duplicate the video. Yes. Then you go click on the green screen ego and duplicate it as well. Go and look for duplicate. Duplicate the green screen ego. Go and duplicate it. Duplicate it now. Then you come back now. Mark anywhere and click on add overlay. Then you import your video to the workspace. This is your video. Then locate where you want your own video to start from. Click on the video, make a split. Delete the first part, we don't need it again. Mark on this one and bring it to the beginning of the video. You can see now. So the next thing is to click on the video, go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, auto remover. Allow it to remove completely. Allow it to remove completely. Size patience a bit. Now it has removed completely. You has mark on that good and go back. Mark on that good. So the next thing now is to adjust the character, to make the character sit on top of the eagle. Okay, look at it. You adjust it. Then after you have seen that you have finished adjusting it now, what you'll be doing is to come and click on the video and go and click on keyframe. After adjusting it, click on the video, click on keyframe. Then you start adjusting the video. Look at what I am doing. As you are adjusting it, you are using your 2 thumbs to make it align, to make sure that the character sits on top of the ego still. Okay, you are adjusting the video. Your own is to be adjusting the video. The key will be adding automatically. You are using your nails. Look at what I am doing. You know the ego is moving. If you leave it like that, the character cannot blend. So you want to make the character always sit on top of that ego. So as you are moving the video, you are adjusting your own character. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Okay, if you like what we are doing, why not give us a thumbs up? If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, thank you. Now welcome back to the tutorial. Okay, look at what I am doing. Take time to do your own, okay, so that it will look okay. This place you need to take time. This is where the magic is. This is where the work is. You take time to adjust your video to make sure that your video look professional. Okay, you are adjusting it, you are adjusting the character, you are adjusting it, you are adjusting the character to make sure that your video look professional. Okay, at the end now, look at it. So what we'll be doing now is to cut out the unwanted part. So you click on the green screen, you make a split, you click on the third layer, you make a split, delete this one, delete this one. So play your video now. Let us see what we have got. So at the course of playing this video now, if there are some adjustments to make, you take your time and make the necessary adjustments. As the video is playing now, you will see that I will be making my adjustment, but at this point I feel and I think that this your video is ready. What you just need to do is to make all the necessary adjustments, fix the errors you make there, the place where you do not sit well, you adjust them. That is all. But at this point your video is ready. What will be remaining here now, okay, is to add your sound effects, your magic lights, your colors, as the case may be. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to do it, I want you to pull me through. Don't worry, we have got you covered. At the description of this video, my number is there. What you need to do is just go and locate my number and DM me, so that I will put you through how to add your effects, your lighting and all that. And at the end of doing that, then you can now export your video. But there is another thing you need to know about this video. If you try exporting this video now, you cannot be able to export it. The reason being that you use